Email marketing solutions to help your business grow. Many an online business has been made, or broken, by a single email marketing campaign. If you do it right, it can go viral, driving massive traffic to your website. If you do it wrong, on the other hand, it can sink your company. Watch this video in full to find tips and techniques to teach you how to do it in a way that benefits your company. Educate yourself about email marketing using whatever tools necessary. You can find books in libraries and on the web. There are a lot of classes that you may be able to enroll in to benefit you. Data mine your email list and bucket your audience into various segments based off of any profiling data you have. This will allow you to be more strategic with your messaging and effectively increase your chances of higher open and click-through rates. Even if you don't have profiling, look to geo-targeting. Various regions respond differently to different types of messaging. Make sure that your email subscribers know exactly what to expect from you. An excellent way to do this is to make your first email to every new subscriber a default informational message. You should lay out what sort of content you intend to send them, and also indicate the frequency of messages they can expect from you. It is important that your friendly form line is one that your subscribers will recognize. For example, do not have the CEO of your company sending the emails. The reader may not know who it is from and just delete the email. In the subject line, put your business's name. Even though you may be tempted, do not fix email addresses that appear misspelled or mistyped. Given the sensitive nature of email, it is important that you do not tinker with what a person typed while opting in. If your attempts to reach a particular address continually bounce, remove it from your database and move on. Email is a great marketing tool, but it is not an arena where the hard sell is appreciated. Never pressure your subscribers into buying. Put sales pitches at the tail end of your emails, especially if your readers signed up with expectations of informative content. Consider email as a tool to cultivate interest, not instant sales. When you know what to do, creating an email marketing campaign will be easy, effective and profitable. You'll better your online reputation while building profits, and the initial investment of both time and money is small. There is no better way to grow your business, so start creating your campaign today. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.